Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We're back with another quick video. This is going to be an unboxing video. I had just received a huge box from my friends over at Source for Sports, Teamworks. Spent close to $500 to customize various jerseys in my collection. They do a great job with their custom jerseys and cresting. They handle a couple major universities and some minor league hockey teams too. So London Knights, Western University, stuff like that. So my jerseys are back from shop, and he ended up customizing them. So I figured why not do a quick unboxing. So here we are. Here we are. I think Justin from Hat Club has one jersey in here. Show that one real quick. So he got the New York Islanders done. He added the Cizikas 53. It was never an alternate, but beautiful jersey, double layered twill nameplate 53. Beautiful, beautiful job there. We got the Miguel Cabrera Tigres 24. Miggy Miguel Cabrera 24. Beautiful jersey. This is an older one. So this one I've been wanting to do forever. So that's the back-to-back champs. Toronto Blue Jays. We got Joe Carter on the back. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. So we got the Paul Skeens. LSU Tigers. Mr. Skeens. Ooh, beautiful jersey. Look at that. Skeens 20. Yes. This one's beautiful. So we got the Calgary Flames. The jersey. 13. Johnny Hockey. Johnny Gaudreau. Beautiful jersey. Look at the triple twill. Amazing job. Future MVP, maybe. Royals. Here we go. The future Royals. Bobby Witt Jr. Beautiful jersey. Look at that patch there. This one I wanted to do with the kanji, but they weren't able to do it, unfortunately. But we still got the Shohei on the ad, the LA on the side. Shohei Ohtani. And then last but not least, this one's nasty. Number 5, Albert Pujols. So look at the chain stitch too. But thank you, Kevin, and the team over at Source for Sports, Teamworks. You guys do a great job. Always super happy with the outcome. Until next time, we're out of here. Make sure you guys are dropping a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We out of here. Peace.